This is my woman's Camaro. It's a 2015 V6 Camaro. Beautiful car. And I got her an exhaust for her birthday. And today I'm going to be putting it on. Right now it's got just a bone stock exhaust. And you can kind of hear what it sounds like. It's pretty quiet. Come on, start for me. Yeah, super quiet. Let's get it louder. These are the big old giant stock mufflers. Cut them off. See what it sounds like with no mufflers, huh? Yeah. Sounds kind of juicy. A little raspy though when you rev it up. Let's hope the mufflers I got will calm that down a little bit. It sounds nice though. Nice and mellow at idle. Well, it's a little late, but I finally got these, the hangers done. Made some hangers out of like 1/2-inch tubing. I just bent it in my vise with a hammer until they kind of fit in place underneath the, underneath the car, and zap them where they needed to be. I'm going to take them into the workshop and finish weld them. I also, I got the wrong mufflers for this thing when I went to buy them. I got 2.5-inch mufflers, so I had to get a little adapter, and I just cut it down and welded a 2.5 to 2.25-inch adapter on there so that it'll fit on the pipe underneath. And yeah, after I finish welding these, the seams on the adapters and the hangers, I should be able to actually weld them into the car. So let's go. All right, so I got the mufflers all welded up, the hangers on there, and well, I don't have them all welded up. I've got them welded so that they're kind of hung on there in place. And now I can tack them. Well, actually, I'm going to make the tips first. I want to make the tip. I'm going to use the old tips because they're in pretty good shape. They're not too bad. And so I'm going to make those first. But before I do any of that, while I've got it hanging on here and it's on there pretty tight, I want to see, how does it sound with the new mufflers? Just the mufflers. Let's find it. That a lot. That sounds really good. Just finished fabricating the tips. It looks pretty good. It looks kind of just like it did before. The only thing you can tell from the back is the mufflers hang down a little bit, but I think you'll only see that when you're in a really, really low car or something. But the tips, yeah, I like them. I only have them tacked together right now. They're kind of just hanging in there. You can see they're just kind of like tacked together, but yeah, finish welding those up, and then, well, actually I'm going to tack them onto the muffler, and then I'll pull the whole muffler off again and finish weld them all up. Then they'll be ready to weld to the rest of the system. I think they came out pretty darn good. Black Widow Venom-250s, I think, is what they call them. Venom-250. Black Widow. Custom exhaust system for my girlfriend. I think she's gonna like it. It's all finish welded from the tip to the inlet, and I've decided that I'm not gonna weld these onto the main system. I'm gonna clamp them because I'm out of time. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning and she needs this car tomorrow, so I'll do a test drive next, hopefully. Maybe in the morning, but not tonight. I don't have those clamps. All right, I just took it out for a test drive. Sounds freaking awesome. Check this out. Yeah. She's gonna love it. So the exhaust is in. Sounds, I think, pretty good. We're gonna take it on a little mini rip here. You know, just running it through first and hitting second. You know, full throttle. And oh, we're gonna have to wait for, you know, a little traffic.
Is there no cops down there?
I don't think so. That's not a cop. I don't see any cops.
Hang on a second. Stop?
Yeah, just stop here for a second. Give us a little leeway on the road here.
Right, ready?
There's no cop here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, go. Wait, that's not full throttle. What are you doing to me, Denise? Stop. Oh my God. Am I gonna have to do this? Am I gonna have to do this?
No, let me turn around. Restart.
Okay. All right, we're lining her up again.
Oh, I'm on the wrong side of the road. All right.
Yeah, you think from here is good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Full throttle, D. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, right? So, what do you think, Denise?
I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
I think it's really, really good. All right, well, that's about it for 2015 custom exhaust Black Widow Venom 250s. It sounds pretty freaking awesome.